Welcome to Kids Learning Center.
Hello kids. In this video, we will learn alphabet. A. B. C. D. Red color.
Red color,
Orange color.
orange color,
Yellow color.
yellow color,
Blue color.
blue color,
Green color.
green color,
Purple color.
purple color,
Pink color.
pink color,
Brown color.
brown color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll.
A. B. C. D.
In the dell, the farmer in the dell. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife.
E.
The farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
F.
The wife takes the child. The wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The
G.
child takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the
H.
cow. The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
E for egg. F for frog.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on
G for glass.
Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
H for hat.
E. F. G.
Do you know
H.
the Muffin Man?
I.
The itsy bitsy spider went
J.
up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider
K.
went up the spout again.
L.
I for igloo.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water.
J for jam.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
K for kite. L for lamb.
I, J, K, L. M. N. O. P.
M for man. N for net. O for onion. P for pen.
M. N. O. P.
Thank you. See you soon.